Hey guys, Sachin here. Welcome to my channel and how to do Warriorplus affiliate marketing using 100% pure bias traffic. That is what we're going to be talking today. I'm going to be sharing with you an awesome, trust me, an awesome little strategy where you can get 100% pure bias clicks on complete autopilot on daily basis. Okay. And trust me, when I tell you the price of that, you're going to be blown away. Okay, so first let me share with you what exactly bias clicks are. So this is Warriorplus account. This is my ID over here. Eventually, when you promote any offer, this is one of the offer which I promoted with email traffic, 1200 clicks and 1% on average conversion, we can say you can get like 44 cents. So this is normal. Maybe email traffic, solo ad traffic, that kind of list traffic. Now, when you get a bias traffic, that is somebody who has already purchased a product, and then when you put your offer in front of him, like a banner ad, whatever kind of thing, and then when he opts into your list, trust me, that person is way more powerful when it comes to buying any product or any recommendation. Trust me, it's really powerful. And this is an example of this. You can see you have buyers code, a tracking code over here for this campaign. Just 858 clicks, 70 sales, 8% conversion. It's just like 4 to 5 times more conversion than this one. 3.34, that is $3.34 EPC. The average visitor value for this particular offer for this buyer traffic is $3.34. So that the person who visited that my opt-in page or offer page was worth over $3.34 and made over $2,863. Let me show you another offer. Okay, so this is another offer. You can see over here. Email traffic. Okay, 520 clicks, 13 sales, 2% conversion, and 36. Like you see the bias traffic. Look at this: 780 clicks, 17% conversion, 139 sales, and look at the EPC, $4.73. This is way more than what I showed you just before this offer. Okay, so this is something that you need to understand, my friend. You need to build a bias list if you want to make a long-term affiliate income in Warriorplus or any other platform. Trust me, you need bias traffic. You need on a consistent daily basis, not one time in a month. Trust me, it won't work. It won't work. You need to have consistent flow of bias traffic. Let me show you one of the secret traffic source, and trust me, you have to get your hands on this. It's just amazing. Okay, so this is the one of the site which I highly recommend you to get on your hands on. So this site is like the click engine kind of offer which gets you 100% real bias traffic on complete autopilot. What these guys do is basically the pricing is $4.90 per month, easily affordable, or you can get it at $49 for a yearly fee. Okay, so that you can get 2 months for free. Okay, now about the pricing, let's talk later on. First, let me share with you what these guys are doing. Those people who get this product, they are in the members area, and in the members area they going to get a banner ads. Okay, they get onto the buyers list of this vendor, and then the vendor actually sends out daily emails to these buyers. Now, what you're going to be getting is a chance to put your affiliate link or your opt-in page or your squeeze page into this rotator. Okay, now on average, these guys are getting you 5 clicks a day. Now, it's really less, but trust me, those 5 clicks, maybe it will be like 10 clicks, depending on the time zone that you're buying it. If you're buying it for in January and in this June, maybe the clicks will be increasing because a lot of people are going to be buying this product. but eventually these 5 to 10 clicks per day are like a buyer's clicks, my friend. These are real people who have bought this product. They have credit card in hand, and seriously, they're action takers, my friend. Trust me, you want to have this kind of traffic consistently coming onto your website or your squeeze page, whatever you want to promote. I would recommend squeeze page because when you grab this as a lead, trust me, it's going to be a lot more easier for you if you're promoting a business opportunity, so that you can connect with them on social media platform, or you can email them, and you know for a fact that these guys are proven buyers. Okay, top of that, these guys are buyers on a recurring basis, so they have bought, and they have bought it on a recurring basis. Now, what is the cost of getting this kind of buyers traffic? Is 4.90 per month. That it means, if you, let's say for example, if you're getting like 5 clicks, the less I'm saying, okay, it's the least I'm saying, 5 clicks, that is like 150 buyers clicks on a monthly basis. So divide that by 4.90, trust me, it's going to be like, I don't know, 3 to 4 cents per high quality buyers clicks, real buyers clicks. Okay, so really awesome opportunity over here, and I just got access to this. It's amazing. This is the member survey of the click engine, and here Jeff Amon, you can see Jeff on multiple leaderboards. If you see live good opportunity, business opportunity, this guy is the top affiliate for that program. You can search it on Google. This guy is a top affiliate on that program and multiple different offers. So you're going to be getting traffic from Jeff Amon's email list. Okay, now here in the member server, they are telling you it's important to watch this video and to submit your link correctly. Now, once you submit the link, within 12 to 24 hours, the traffic will start. Okay, they will give you a click magic or a rotator link so that you can also track on yourself, and then from that point up until you keep this subscription 4.90 per month, the traffic is going to be continuously coming to whatever offer you want to promote. I highly recommend promote squeeze page. Okay, now another thing which I want to point out, after you purchase the first front end, there's going to be a first OTO number 1, which is going to be something which I think it's really great, and I have picked it up. Okay, it's for like 14 bucks. What it will do is it will give you double the traffic. So instead of 1 rotator link, you will get 2 rotator link. Okay, so you can promote the same squeeze page. You will basically double the traffic, and that $14, it's not a recurring, it's just a one-time. So I would highly recommend you to pick up that offer. Let me show you now. Okay, so here we are, and you can see over here the first front end is going to be 4.90 every 30 days, and the first upsell, the click engine double the buyer traffic, is going to be just 15 bucks, close to 15 bucks. Now this is just a one time, so basically it's going to be like, if you're getting 5 to 10 clicks every single day, on an average, let's say you get 7 clicks with the front end, you're going to be getting 14 clicks or 15 clicks. If you're getting 10 clicks for one front end, you're going to be getting 20 clicks per day. Okay, it's going to be just doubling your traffic with just $14 one-time fee, which is something I thought is really valuable. And on an average, if I just calculate that with this cost 14.90 just a one time, if I'm getting like 10 clicks on a daily basis with double the traffic, I'm going to be getting 300 buyers clicks for 4.90 from the second month. Trust me, it's insane powerful and absolutely valuable kind of like pricing, which you're going to be getting from the real people, real buyers traffic. Okay, so I would highly recommend you to get your hands on it, test it for 1 to 2 months, maybe 3 months. I would highly recommend, and trust me, you're going to be making a lot of sales. Okay, I'm not sure, I'm not going to be guaranteeing that, but it depends on whatever offer you're promoting. But I would recommend have a squeeze page, grab these buyer leads and then promote it through your email autoresponder. It's absolutely amazing kind of a opportunity. Please you don't want to miss this. Okay, so the link to the click engine is going to be in the description, the first link in the description. You can check it out. Also, if you have any questions about the click engine, feel free to comment below and let me know your questions. I will be more than happy to help you, my friend. All right, so any questions, my Facebook link is given below in the description. Send me a message and I would reply to you within 12 to 24 hours. All right, so stay tuned. Till the next time, have a great day. Bye-bye.